In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Korea Tour Card app on Android. This app is essential for travelers visiting South Korea, as it allows for convenient transportation payments. Let's get started. First, you need to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Look for the icon that resembles a colorful triangle, usually found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you tap on it, the Play Store will load, displaying various apps and games. This step is crucial because the Play Store is the official source for downloading apps on Android devices. You will feel confident knowing you are accessing a secure platform for your downloads. Now that you are in the Google Play Store, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This bar is where you can input the names of apps you want to find. Type Korea Tour Card T-Money into the search bar. Make sure to spell it correctly to avoid any confusion. As you type, the app suggestions might start to appear below. This is important because using the correct name helps you find the right app quickly. You will see a list of results populating the screen. After searching, you need to select the official Korea Tour Card T-Money app developed by T-Money, also known as T-Money Company Limited. Look closely at the app icons, as there may be several similar ones. The official app will have the recognizable logo associated with T-Money. Selecting the correct app is vital because it ensures you are downloading the reliable version that works seamlessly for your travel needs. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the app's detail page, which contains more information about its features and user reviews. Next, tap the Install button to begin downloading the app. This button is usually green and located prominently on the app's detail page. Once you press it, the app will start downloading and installing automatically. This is a straightforward step, but it is essential to stay connected to the internet to avoid any interruptions during the download. You will see a progress indicator showing how much of the app has been downloaded. This reassures you that the process is moving along smoothly. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button appear in place of the Install button. You can tap this button to launch the Korea Tour Card app right away. Alternatively, you can find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Opening the app for the first time is an exciting moment. You will be greeted with a user-friendly interface designed to help you navigate easily. This initial step is important because it sets the stage for all the features you will use during your travels in Korea. Now you are ready to set up the app and explore its features. The Korea Tour Card app will allow you to manage your transportation needs efficiently. You can check balances, recharge your card, and even find helpful information about public transport in South Korea. This app is a great resource to enhance your travel experience. You will find that having this app simplifies your journey, making it easier to explore all that Korea has to offer. And that's it! You have successfully downloaded the Korea Tour Card app on your Android device. You are now prepared to make your travel in South Korea much more convenient. Enjoy your journey!